adventure kit. And I bought a kit from the science supply store, and it's called a Triop. And there's an animal that was here when the dinosaurs were around. I'm going to put some water in, and it needs to be up to about right there. We just got the water to the right temperature, and we'll put some chopped carrot in, and I poured the water in. Now I'm going to put these eggs in. They're real tiny. Okay, I think that was it. Okay. It's been 39 hours, and now I'm gonna feed it. If you see a little speck moving, then that's it. Was that it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. And something interesting about the animal is that it's called a Triop, and something interesting about it is that it's an animal from the dinosaur time. This is the 11th day, and we put him into his big home, to his bigger home, and we decided to name him is Saurus, and why I named him Saurus is because he's an animal from the dinosaur time, and lots of the dinosaurs were called by a Saurus. And now we're gonna try to get a close up. Oh, there he is. He's right there, sorry. He's hiding. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's moving.